business, if you see it is a belief, it will be more effective. That is where I started globally PowerPoint presentations around 1995. Now 30 years are over. Today, so many students are here. I want to realize what is future. If you see here, we are all talking on Silicon Valley. Anybody will have any new ideas, will go to Silicon Valley. This program is successful because of Prithvi, founder Kubitech, Naren, co-founder Kubitech. They are responsible.